Hello everyone. Before I start the presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Stevani Hadi K. I'm from 1B BIK number 19. Today, I would like to talk about one of the most well-known Indonesia outdoor brands, which is Eiger. I'm sure all of you seen this brand somewhere, whether at malls, on the street, or during outdoor activity. One of the reasons I choose this topic because most of the items I use are from Eiger, especially their bags. First, let me start with a brief history from Eiger. Eiger was founded in 1993 by Mr. Ronnie Lukito, and since then it has grown into one of the outdoor equipment brands in Indonesia. It originally started a small workshop in Bandung with only 2 sewing machines. Eiger focused producing high-quality items such as backpack, hiking clothes, and camping gear that are durable and comfortable to use. One of their most iconic product is the 55-liter backpack, which was their very first product and was tested in real outdoor conditions. Eiger backpacks are designed with a supportive back system, water-resistant materials, and functional compartments to make packing more efficient. Besides backpack, Eiger also offers outdoor clothing like jacket, pants, and t-shirt. Their jackets are especially popular because they are windproof, waterproof, and have good ventilation, perfect for hiking or camping in various weather conditions. Their pants and shirts are made from lightweight, quick-drying fabrics suitable for tropical climates. Eiger also sells other outdoor essentials such as hiking sandals, hats, sleeping bags, and protective gear. All of these products are made to prioritize durability, comfort, and functionality for adventures across in Indonesia. Eiger has several strengths. First, high quality, designed for Indonesian tropical weather and tough terrains. Second, a strong reputation as a local brand, loyal outdoor community. Third, a wide range of innovation products from bags and apparel to accessories. The last point from strength is activity involvement in outdoor events and community, which strengthens engagement. However, Eiger also has some disadvantage. First, the price can be higher compared to cheaper import brands. Second, some people may think the products are expensive if they are not familiar with the quality. Some competition from global outdoor brands that continue to innovate quickly. The last point is some products use components made abroad, which many influence customers' perception about the local brand identity. Eiger's main challenge is competing with global outdoor brands that offer advanced technology and a wide product range. Another challenge is the perception Eiger's products are pricey. Another hand, Eiger has huge opportunities because other activities are becoming more popular in Indonesia. More people are interested in hiking, traveling, and exploring nature, supported by higher income levels, and growing awareness of health and ecotourism. Marketing strategy from Eiger is Eiger Adventure Club member program. Member receive first is point for every purchase, second special discount and promo, third birthday vouchers, and the last point exclusive offers like double points, student promo, and access to community event. This program helps customers save more and enjoy special benefit that regular buyers don't get. I want to tell you about a fun fact about Eiger. Today, Eiger operate around 250 stores across in Indonesia and has expanded to several other countries like Philippines, Japan, and Lebanon. And then I tell you about how to get Eiger product. You can get Eiger product at their offline store or online store. For the offline store in Malang, they have 5 branches, and the one I visit most often in the MOG because I think it's strategic location. And if you prefer to shopping online, you can visit their Instagram at Eiger Adventure or download their application on App Store or Play Store. To conclude, Eiger offers durable, well-designed products that support outdoor activity for both beginner and professional. If you enjoy traveling, hiking, or outdoor activity, Eiger is definitely worth to trying. Thank you for your attention. I apologize for any mistake in words or delivery. See you in the next meeting. Bye bye.